should we start?
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage,
Where we bring you detailing information and
other automotive goodness. Yes, automotive goodness and home care goodness today.
home care goodness today. Yes.
What's up?
For sure.
It's late. We're filming at night, and this is, it's late.
It is late.
But it's okay. We're having some fun. And the boys are back there. Say hi, boys.
So, hey, we're here.
Now we have the car detailing kit and we have the home kit. So we're gonna check them out, show them to you guys, and we're gonna see if we can figure out what the scents are because we're not sure if everybody knows them.
We're not sure if we know them. We actually have no idea.
We
so we thought we would
tried them yet.
make it a little fun game and see who gets the most right.
We don't even know.
So these guys have the answers, and we're going to do a sniff test. But we did not mention that these are Adams Polishes products today. So I'm going to show you the packaging first. This is the car care kit.
Hey.
It looks like wood.
It's a big A. And it does look like wood. That's kind of fun. Cute. Okay. All right, so you want to check it out? Should we move our
I'm
pumpkin?
just gonna move pumpkin out of the way.
Half apple?
Pumpkin.
It's about, actually is about a half apple. Would you production people agree that's about a half apple? Yes. If anybody knows what I'm talking about, leave it in the comments. I would like to know if anybody knows what I'm talking about. Yeah. Hit more production scene. Okay, all right, here we go. Are you ready? Should we open for the audience?
Yes,
So
open for the audience.
correct?
Okay.
This is the car kit.
This is the car care kit. Okay, I'm gonna hold it like this. and
Okay,
you-
now I
you
get
reveal.
to open it. Okay, ready? Ooh.
Okay, wait, this is what Ryan does all the time.
Can she do it? Oh, look at that.
nice.
Beautiful. Here, I'll reach in and help
Fresh.
get the light on it. Wow. Don't drop it.
I'm coming for your job, Ryan.
That's right.
All right, okay, what do we have? Fun things.
Okay, so it looks like we have the interior detailer. It does actually, well, they all say pumpkin spice.
I was just gonna say, is
I
it all
don't
pumpkin
think that
spice?
they're all pumpkin spice.
Are
But they all
pumpkin
say
spice?
pumpkin
They are
spice
not.
limited edition.
Okay, so it's just the pumpkin spice
So
line.
they're just calling it the pumpkin spice line.
Yeah,
so
they've
this
kind of
is
developed
the interior detailer here.
Okay. Pumpkin spice tire shine. I do appreciate the colors. It's fun.
Oh yes, I forgot to
Ooh.
get like super close up on this.
Look at that
one.
label.
I like the barn. There's a barn on the side.
There is a barn
Oh, it's on all of them. It's
with little
Oh.
fall
The little
leaves
barn,
falling. It's
yeah.
so cute.
Fall
Here's this
leaves.
one.
Beautiful.
A little tree. There's that.
Okay.
That's sort of a creamy color. And then we have the car shampoo.
Closer.
Limited edition.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
What was that?
Fireworks. Wow.
So, anything happening out there?
I don't know. Damn.
That was very
Crazy
loud.
things happen at night, I
Oh
guess.
my goodness.
It's after midnight.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah.
We'll bleep myself.
And my favorite color,
Blue.
blue. In case you didn't know.
Nice color.
I do like that blue
Blue.
one. That's really pretty.
Blue.
Green is my favorite color.
What is that one?
If
Detail
that wasn't
spray.
obvious. Okay, let's see. And we also have a.
And it's
This is a borderless microfiber cloth in orange, and of course we have our fabulous spray
Nipples?
bottle things and
Nothing,
That
boys.
doesn't-
Really?
it doesn't go on the tire
really.
shine.
Yeah, it doesn't go on the tire
Not
shine.
gonna comment
It
on
goes on this one.
I'm fully expecting comments, but okay.
Right, exactly.
All right.
I'm
there
sure
it
there'll be
is.
comments in the comments.
Yes. Comments in the comments are appreciated.
Now we got to figure out what these things
Smell like.
Which
Yeah.
one are you gonna do first?
Just gonna put
Okay,
that
hold
over
on. I'm
there.
going to properly merch
We'll
these.
give
Oh,
I'll
yes.
give you guys a
Must
little
merch.
hint. Two of them smell the same, and it is pumpkin spice. That's all we'll tell you.
I'll have to
So
figure
two
out which
pumpkin
ones are
spice.
actually
There's two
pumpkin
actual
spice.
pumpkin spice smells.
Okay, I'm
The
going to
other
move
two
my
are different.
coffee because that's going to probably throw us off. Okay.
Okay.
You open those two, and I'll open these two.
So
Alright.
Here got detail spray. Okay.
Okay. And we do have handy props here
Sip of
available in
chai.
case we decide we
You
need to
can't
spray
see that
anything.
yet, but-
Oh, well, I'll slide it in.
Careful, it's heavy.
Are we supposed to put the
Ooh, shiny.
proper tops on these, or are we just smelling them
No,
today?
you just.
Okay.
Whatever. If you want to use them.
Sure, we might as well
It's-
put the
it's-
tops on, right? Okay, so which one gets the nipple,
Okay, one
boys?
at a
This
time.
one, I got this.
Denise gets.
I got the.
Denise gets the nipple. Okay.
That,
Ooh.
Okay.
Well, no, they're not supposed to smell.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
What is it?
Pumpkin spice.
That is pumpkin spice.
Did you
Whew.
both get it?
Wow.
1
Get a
point.
point.
One.
Yeah. Woo-hoo.
Ding, ding,
The detail
ding,
spray
ding.
is pumpkin spice.
Okay.
Ooh.
I'd also like to know how many of the viewers actually drink pumpkin spice things.
Not the detail spray.
Yeah, not detail spray, preferred. Which one's that?
This is the shampoo.
Car shampoo.
Okay.
And I think that might be
Dayquil.
Dayquil?
No, you're wrong.
No, okay.
So
I'm thinking
Denise
maple
did say-
syrup.
Ooh. Oh, no.
No?
But it's closer than Dayquil. It's not
I
much.
think the color's throwing me off, makes me think of Dayquil. It's definitely not pumpkin spice, but
It's not pumpkin spice for sure.
okay, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna put this one on the pumpkin. Is this?
Oh, this is this.
Oh, that's the
That's
shampoo.
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 Can't really.
What are you gonna do? How are you gonna
Just
just
put
the
shampoo
cap
on
back
it.
on that.
Okay.
I'm
Fine.
trying
want
to
me to tell
think
you
what.
guys? You're both wrong.
Okay.
We're both wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Apple pecan.
Apple pecan.
Try it again now.
Gosh.
Sometimes when you try it, you hear it and try it again. You're like, okay.
Okay,
get it.
I can kind of smell the
But
apple
it's not
now.
very.
I want to
I can't smell the pecan
And
really,
Dayquil.
but
Dayquil.
I'm sticking with my answer.
Not very apple, but not like their normal
but
apple.
there's
huh?
like a. It's not. Yeah, it's a very
I
subtle
know.
apple.
What was the apple when they
I
had
mean,
one
it's
year that was
pleasant.
the hand soap, right? And
Yeah.
it was like
Same, but-
apple.
It was like
something,
green
and it was
apple
so
or-
good.
I agree.
something
The
apple.
scent is weak on that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this one's not
I mean, it's
super scented, but
it's
again,
nice,
it may
but
come out more when you use it.
Adams, when
I
you
don't
had
know.
apple cider. that
Apple
was the best.
cider.
Yeah, apple
That's the
cider,
one.
that's
And it
the
was a
one.
hand
That
soap.
was really
and I
Should we
love
good.
start
that
that
one.
now? Adams, bring back
Bring back apple cider. Okay,
Yes.
Adams, bring back apple cider.
Apple cider, not Dayquil. Okay.
I wouldn't go that far.
Ooh, I like this one. That one's a winner, and
Obviously,
I think
not
I know what that is.
pumpkin spice. That's cinnamon.
Yeah, that's a pretty good guess.
Cinnamon spice or something. Cinnamon.
You're
Apple
good.
cinnamon,
You're
pumpkin pie,
50%,
or
you're
apple pie.
50% correct. No
Apple pie.
Cinnamon.
But keep on the fruits. Keep
Green
on
apple?
The spice.
Cinnamon
Green
apple.
apple? No,
Right now it's 1-1. No.
it's not very appley. No,
Just
Nope.
tell me when you want me to know, or when you want to know.
it smells very appley to me. Maybe I'm. I like it though. Whatever it is.
Is
Denise
it
has
cinnamon
got-
apple pie or
Denise
something
got
like
half
that?
a point so far.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
It's cinnamon.
It's
Cinnamon.
pear spice.
Oh,
Pear.
pear.
Okay,
Oh,
I
that
can
makes
see
sense.
that.
So
One
it's
and
a
a half
fruit.
to one.
Okay, got you.
She
That
said
counts.
spice.
Okay.
That would make this one the other
Well, now you know.
Oh,
pumpkin
Process
spice.
of elimination.
But let's see.
Pumpkin spice.
What is that? Interior.
I get
This
both
is
of
the
them.
interior detailer, yeah.
Oh, that was the tire shine.
Tire
Yeah.
shine.
Oh yeah, sorry. Green one is tire
Got it.
shine. Sorry, shampoo is gold.
It's back to it.
And this is pumpkin spice, but it's not overpowering.
Yeah, that's definitely pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
good, though.
I don't mind it.
This one's not bad at all.
You
I don't
put-
hate it.
you
I
put
think
in
the
your coffee?
pear is the winner of that group.
Does it
Yeah.
really smell like pear though?
I do like it.
I would've said
smell
apple,
more
but-
cinnamon than pear, but
You got the spice.
I got the spice part of it, yeah.
Yeah.
Since really all we care about is how it smells.
Oh,
You can let everyone know that these products all do perform well in our other videos.
Oh yeah. No,
Oh,
these
yeah, exactly.
yeah. Check out the link above or below for the other videos actually using these products,
In the
not
description.
just
in
smelling
the
them.
description, something
In the
like
description.
That. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Okay, so now we have the home care kit, and this is the fall release of the home care kit. The box is very pretty. I like this one a lot.
I do
It
too.
has lots of, pretty like sunsets and trees.
I like
stuff
trees.
like that. Me too. I like trees a lot. All right, here we go. We'll do this part, and then we will do. You want to do it this time?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Reveal.
Woo!
Ooh, I haven't even peeked at this one. These are
I know.
actually very fun.
Haven't seen them at all.
I like the
Those
colors.
are bright colors.
I was not expecting the bright colors when we opened that up. Do we want to show them
All right.
close up?
Oh yeah, close up. You do the close up. You are longer arms.
There it is.
Nice.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Go.
So we have the glass cleaner, and it is pink.
I want the blue one.
And again, the artwork on this is matching the box.
Ooh, nice label.
I do like the labeling. It's very pretty.
Home surface cleaner.
I bet that smells like Windex.
Dayquil.
I doubt it.
Dayquil. You had NyQuil before, and now it's Dayquil.
No, that one's NyQuil.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Or the red one would be NyQuil, actually.
Okay, so then we have the odor neutralizer,
I'm not gonna
which
comment
has
on
sort
that
of
color.
a green tint.
Yeah, that's an interesting tinged color, isn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of, I don't know, it's not
Asparagus?
quite gold, but it's not quite green either, so.
And then just hand soap. Okay, that's fun.
Ooh, hand soap, yay.
Yeah,
Hand soap.
tip girls. If you go past midline, it goes off camera.
Okay, fine,
Ooh,
sorry.
beautiful, perfect.
Key information you should
Sorry.
have given the
Should've told
talent
us that a
before
while
the
ago.
shoot.
Oh,
there's
and
no
of course,
strips,
and
it's
of
okay.
course,
Nobody's
and of
mad.
course, there is a gray microfiber towel, because I think in the home kit they do the green and gray colors for the home ones.
Sounds good. Okay, we got some spray caps. And I'll just put
Oh, you
our
got a
cute
different
box.
type
This
of
is a
pump?
pump, yeah, and this
Oh.
is actually a
Oh, that's a good
aerator
pump.
pump.
That's for the hand soap.
That's a hand soap
Foam.
foam pump. We'll have to try that.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, are we continuing our game?
Yes, I think we are continuing our game.
All right,
Okay.
so it's 2.5
Guess the
to 2.
sense.
Okay, two and a
Guess
half
the
to
sense.
two.
Guess the
Denise is
sense.
in the lead.
No hints this
Guess
time.
the sense.
Do one at
no
a
hints.
time.
Yeah.
No hints, and I'll just no hint it.
No hints.
So looks like
Woo, that's strong.
Why don't you go over that one?
just one at a
You're gonna
time.
mess up if you.
Hand
Okay.
soap. Let's see. You got hand soap there, Shelly. What is
Okay. I'm not even gonna say it. Okay.
Don't say it's cough medicine.
I was gonna say it was NyQuil.
I can smell it from here.
Plum.
Really, NyQuil?
No, I was just kidding. It doesn't smell like
You're going
NyQuil.
plum?
The other one legit smells like Dayquil, though. I'm gonna say
Oh.
plum.
Oh, I smell it. I think.
It's
Wow.
strong. It's very
This-
strong.
This one
It
is.
smells-
I love this.
I say plum, or maybe black cherry.
I think it's black cherry, actually. Yeah.
May I?
Hang on, website's slow. I have the wrong product up.
That is pleasant.
I do like that.
Stall.
Okay,
it's nice.
Adam's Pumpkin Spice Collection 2022 Fall Hand Soap is the scent of.
Drum roll.
You're going with, I'm sorry, Shelly, plum,
She was plum.
I'm gonna go plum.
And I said dark cherry
dark cherry.
Dark cherry.
or cherry.
Black
It
cherry.
doesn't smell like this to me right now. I think this is wrong. It says apple pecan.
And this is supposed to be the same as this?
Yeah, that's why.
No.
Yeah, that's
No.
what it says on the website.
No.
But I don't
Oh,
agree.
okay.
No.
Are you sure you're on the home
I
kit?
promise.
There's no way.
See?
No.
Wanna
This
see?
is so
And then
Smell.
scroll
stronger.
up.
Guys,
Look
smell.
what it says.
That does not smell the same.
And they both said apple pecan.
I'm not buying it.
That even looks cherry because of the red.
Well, it
That-
smells
that really
like
doesn't
cherry or
smell.
maybe bubblegum even. Like it has a little bit of a bubblegummy
I
flavor.
don't know. They're similar to me.
Really?
Yeah. But I don't. I mean,
I get a little spice.
hey. I mean, we've got people at Adams that watch our videos. Let's ask them.
Is that really the same scent, guys?
Is it
That's
really
what
the
it
same
says.
scent? Because
Let us
That's
know.
what it says.
Weird.
Okay,
Yeah, as I
let's
said.
go with the pink one
So
next.
sorry.
Okay.
Even
So
though we don't
we struck
agree
out
with
on
the
that?
scent, you struck out.
All of
Okay.
us struck out. Okay.
I
No,
would've
no
too.
points.
This one's the hand soap.
What are we doing next?
Whatever she's got.
Did I just put
Yeah.
the wrong one in the hand soap? Okay. I'm sorry.
That'd be fun to try to pump
Sorry.
that through there.
Okay. I'll fix it.
Come on, make it work. It actually would, but it,
See how this works.
Oh
I'm
my.
sure they're not the first
Okay.
ones to
I'm
do it.
sorry. This reminds me of Pepto Bismol.
yeah, it's not gonna happen.
Nope.
That's not gonna
It's
work.
too thick.
Don't put the wrong cap on. Pepto Bismol because it's me. Serious because
Last
we should have
weekend?
done like the blind smell.
I know what the rest
Which one
are.
are you? Which one? Are
Oh
you
my
looking
gosh,
at?
why?
Right?
What is it? What's the product?
Sorry guys,
Glass
but
cleaner? Is
no.
that the glass?
Oh
It's the glass
no.
cleaner, and it's very
Glass
different.
Ew.
You said ooh.
It's ew.
Do you want to even?
Yeah.
I fix this.
It's very strong.
Whoops.
I don't know about you, but
It goes
It's
when you
weird.
know what it is. I get the
Whoops.
smell.
oh really?
But do you want?
Okay,
do you guys not know?
no, we're gonna. I need to make up some ground here. Hang on.
Well, it's still 2.5 to 2.
Exactly. I need at least half.
Not that bad.
What is it?
It's very
You probably
weird.
won't get
I
it.
don't
All right,
know.
just yeah.
I think
we're
that
gonna
one's
keep it going.
maybe, I don't know.
Go.
Well,
Yeah,
just
you're gonna have
just
a
that-
20-minute
yeah.
video.
Say
Is
what
it
it is.
like
Just say what it is.
pomegranate or something?
Close, plum.
It's plum. Okay. So this one is plum.
I literally said plum for the other one.
I know, that's what's weird.
That's weird.
So maybe their machines got mixed up.
That's funny. Okay, which one do I have now? Odor neutralizer,
Okay, I know what that is.
Okay. There's that.
pumpkin spice.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 100% pumpkin spice.
That is correct.
Ding, 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding.
3.5 to 3. So
Okay, the blue.
the blue one.
Okay,
blue
put
one.
the
Gonna
right
be
cap
tough.
on.
Denise, you go first.
All right. I will open the blue one once here. Make sure that's on there correctly. Do-do-do-do. Open this one.
You guys are gonna have a 20-minute video.
Yeah, I'm like, what the?
How long can we talk about
Sorry,
snow?
I don't know. Oh, that's weird.
Got 2 turntables and a microphone. No? Where's it?
What's the product? Or, I mean,
Oh, sorry.
Home surface.
This is the home surface cleaner,
surface.
I actually quite enjoy that.
which I use almost more than anything else
I know, we
besides
use a
the
ton of
soap.
that. I like it.
Me too.
That doesn't tell us what it smells like.
It smells like clouds.
Fresh scent.
Fresh air.
Fresh
No,
clean
that is
scent.
Clean,
incorrect.
clean
Is that
laundry.
what you're going
It's
with?
not fresh
no.
air?
No, I'm not going with that.
No, she's not going with that.
Brandon.
I think it's some sort of a berry scent.
Okay.
If I was gonna say like blueberry, honestly.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking is blueberry. Or raspberry.
Now that you say blueberry, that's what I smell, but I
Oh,
can't
But
copy
you
you.
didn't smell it before. Denise is right.
All right. Well,
It's
what is
blueberry?
it?
I'm right,
What
it's
is it?
blueberry.
pancakes.
Blueberry pancakes.
Wow. I
And
gotta
clouds?
smell
Okay,
that.
then.
No clouds.
Okay.
Sorry, so Denise wins.
Yay!
Bow to the master. Good job.
Yes,
Actually,
No.
I like that one. That one
Oh,
smells
wait.
yummy.
Oh.
Brandon needs to smell.
Gross.
Wow.
Say your nose.
Extreme close-up.
I get, like, how many nose hairs does that guy have?
too many? No, just kidding.
Okay.
Continue.
Open your candle.
Ooh.
Oh,
bonus
yeah.
item.
Bonus candle.
And there's actually
I
two
should
of
have said
them.
what it was. Ah, well.
2 candles. A bonus item.
Now, if you
Excited
want to guess what
for
that
this.
smells like, or you can read.
I think it just
I'm
says
gonna
it
guess
on the
it's apple
box.
pie.
I think
see
they got
how
that one
accurate
right.
they are.
That smells
though.
good. Mm-hmm.
We,
Wanna smell mine?
Ryan and I
Yeah.
pre-smelled.
Yeah, we
Yeah. They smell like apple pie.
Those are great.
Those
I
are
actually really
good.
like
I like
their-
that one.
We have a cranberry one that's in the bathroom that still smells good.
Nice.
Oh, half line, sorry.
So scented candles are a thing.
very
Yep.
They
nice.
have not done that before, have they?
Yes, they have. We had a
They've-
cranberry one last year.
Yeah, we
Oh,
haven't
okay.
reviewed one though.
We've never
We've
reviewed
never
one.
reviewed
Okay.
them, no.
So,
How do they burn?
what do you guys think
Good.
of the
Actually, for a
pumpkin
long
spice
time.
season here?
I think they're great.
Happy fall, y'all.
Yeah, happy fall.
Would you care to?
We done?
Do you want to be done?
Are you done?
I don't know. I
Hey,
feel like we could just
Did
talk
we
to you
miss
guys
anything?
for a long
Did we
time.
miss
To
just keep
anything?
going.
keep rolling. Okay.
We need to make this
So what's up?
27 minutes.
Shut up. Have we really been recording that long?
I don't know. It restarts every 12, and we're on 12, so we might be at 24.
Okay.
Probably.
So we've been talking for a long time.
A long time about
You
these.
thought that
We'll
these
let
guys
you
talked
guys
a lot.
go.
We're gonna
Okay,
say
thanks.
bye now.
Thanks for hanging with us. Bye.
Your first comment,
See you later.
The wives talk more than them. I couldn't.
Bye, guys.
Never thought it would happen.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
First
I
time,
totally forgot what I'm supposed to say. Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. Oh, where we bring you detailed. Okay.